What would you do if the only way to save your child was to enter the world of crime? What if every step, every word, and every secret you carried determined whether your family survived or perished? This is the heart of The Cleaning Lady, a gripping drama that goes beyond crime and violence. It is about Thony de la Rosa, a brilliant doctor from the Philippines who comes to the United States seeking medical treatment for her son, Luca. But without proper papers and with limited options, she is trapped. In her desperation, she stumbles into the dangerous underworld, becoming the cleaning lady for a powerful criminal syndicate. Her double life is full of secrets, some that protect her, others that put her at risk. Yet within these secrets lie lessons for us all. On this episode of New Adept Empire, we dive deep into the cleaning lady to uncover 20 hidden secrets. For each one, we will reflect on the lesson it teaches, the advice it gives, and the exact moment in the story where that truth is revealed. This is not just entertainment. It is survival, resilience, and wisdom wrapped in a thrilling story. Let us begin. Secret 1. Thony's hidden medical genius. Thony arrives in America not as a cleaner but as a skilled surgeon. Yet because of her immigration status, her degree is invisible, her skill unrecognized. When she encounters her first crime scene, she uses her knowledge to save a wounded gangster instead of running. This secret medical genius shocks the criminals and earns her a place in their world. Lesson. Skills are power. Even in dark places, what you know can save lives. Advice. Never underestimate your abilities. They may open doors when the world closes others. Scene. Episode 1. She stops bleeding from a gunshot victim while standing in a room full of blood. Secret 2. Trust can be dangerous from the beginning. Thony wants to trust people. She wants allies. But the cleaning lady makes it clear that trust is never free. FBI agent Garrett pressures her into spying, while Armin, the gang leader, offers help but at a cost. Her secret teaches us that trust is a gamble. Lesson. Not everyone deserves your confidence. Advice. Trust slowly. Study people before giving them power over you. Scene. Garrett corners her, offering protection only if she betrays Armin. Secret 3. Crime is survival, not desire. Thony never wanted to be in crime. She wanted to heal people, not clean blood. Yet when the hospital system rejects her son's treatment, she chooses survival. Her work with the syndicate is not about greed but survival. Lesson. Circumstances can force difficult choices. Advice. Before judging others, remember you may not know their struggle. Scene. In the pilot, she accepts Armin's offer to work because it's the only way to pay for Luca's medicine. Secret 4. Family is motivation. Every choice Thony makes comes back to Luca. He is her reason for risking everything. This secret reflects the power of family. It drives courage, but also opens vulnerabilities. Lesson. Love is both shield and weakness. Advice. Protect what you love, but never let it blind you to danger. Scene. She treats Luca in her small apartment, hiding medicine while criminals call her. Secret 5. Every move is watched in crime, no action is hidden. Armin watches her carefully. The FBI watches her secretly. Even her family senses something is wrong. Thony's secret shows how pressure builds when every move is judged. Lesson. Small actions carry heavy consequences. Advice. Lie carefully. Even when you think no one notices, someone is watching. Scene. Armin tests her by asking her to clean while his men observe her every move. Secret 6. Secrets protect and endanger. Thony hides her work from Fiona, her sister-in-law. She hides her fear from Luca. But hiding too much creates cracks in trust. This dual secret protects her loved ones while also isolating her. Lesson. Secrets are burden. Advice. Share wisely. Some truths must be hidden, but too many can destroy trust. Scene. Fiona confronts her, sensing something is wrong, but Thony remains silent. Secret 7. Every choice has weight. Cleaning a crime scene ties her forever to criminals. Even when she wants to stop, the choice follows her. Every secret choice is a chain. Lesson. Decisions echo beyond the moment. Advice. Think carefully before stepping into something you cannot undo. Scene. The first time she scrubs blood off the floor, she realizes she is trapped. Secret 8. Intelligence over strength. Thony is small and vulnerable in a violent world, yet she wins through intelligence. She improvises medical tools, conceals evidence, and negotiates smartly. This secret shows brains outlast brutality. Lesson. Knowledge is survival. Advice. In danger, think before fighting. Calm strategy often wins. Scene. She creates a medical tool from cleaning supplies to treat a wound. Secret 9. Allies can become enemies. One moment someone supports her, the next, they threaten her. In crime, loyalty shifts quickly. Her secret is recognizing that allies are temporary. Lesson. Relationships in high stakes are fragile. Advice. Work with people, but prepare for betrayal. Scene. A gang member accuses her of leaving evidence, endangering her life. Secret 10. Courage is silent. Thoni's courage is not loud. She does not shout or fight with guns. Her bravery is in staying calm while danger surrounds her. Lesson. True strength often goes unnoticed. Advice. Quiet courage is still courage. Scene. She works while armed men argue over her head, showing no fear. Secret 11. Life is gray, not black and white. Thoni saves lives, both innocent and guilty. Her medical oath makes her help even criminals. This secret shows that morality is complicated. Lesson. Sometimes the right thing is not clear. Advice. Avoid quick judgments. Life has shades of gray. Scene. She risks herself to save a gangster even after he hurt others. Secret 12. Patience can save you in several tense moments. Thoni waits silently instead of reacting. That patience keeps her alive. Lesson. Not every problem needs instant reaction. Advice. When under pressure, pause before acting. Scene. She stays quiet during a dangerous meeting until Armin signals her. Secret 13. Empathy is strength. Instead of fighting hostility with hostility, Thoni shows compassion. It earns her respect. Lesson. Empathy can disarm even enemies. Advice. Try understanding people instead of only fearing them. Scene. She calms down a violent man by speaking to him as a human being. Secret 14. Details decide fate. In cleaning, every detail matters. One hair left behind could mean death. Her secret is precision. Lesson. Small mistakes can destroy big plans. Advice. Double check everything in serious work. Scene. She nearly gets caught when a fingerprint is almost left behind. Secret 15. Adaptability is key. Unexpected changes come constantly. Police raids, sudden violence, family problems. Thoni survives by adapting instantly. Lesson. Flexibility is survival. Advice. Learn to change quickly when the world shifts. Scene. She hides evidence in seconds when police knock on the door. Secret 16. Knowledge is power. Information is her secret weapon. She learns things about criminals and uses that knowledge to survive. Lesson. Information creates leverage. Advice. Gather knowledge before making moves. Scene. She protects herself by reminding a gang member of his own secrets. Secret 17. Love is strength and weakness. Her love for Luka gives her courage, but it also puts her at risk. Criminals use that love against her. Lesson. What empowers you can also expose you. Advice. Guard your loved ones. Enemies may use them. Scene. Armin threatens her by hinting at Luka's vulnerability. Secret 18. Persistence wins over desperation even when she is betrayed. Give up. Persistence keeps her alive. Lesson. Do not quit, even in impossible moments. Advice. Resilience is stronger than desperation. Scene. After nearly being killed, she still continues working for Luka's sake. Secret 19. Reading people is survival. Thoni studies people carefully. By watching expressions, body language, and tone, she predicts what they will do. Lesson. Human behavior is a map. Advice. Learn to read people to stay one step ahead. Scene. She senses Armin's hesitation and uses it to negotiate safety. Secret 20. True strength lies in sacrifice. At the heart of her journey is sacrifice. She risks her life, her freedom, and her peace for Luka. That is her ultimate secret. Lesson. The greatest courage is giving for others. Advice. Be ready to sacrifice for those who matter most. Scene. She accepts the most dangerous task, knowing it may cost her life, but Luka will survive. Conclusion. The Cleaning Lady is not just a thriller about crime scenes. It is a story of survival, sacrifice, and secrets. Thony de la Rosa reminds us that life is not black and white. It is about impossible choices, hidden strengths, and love powerful enough to challenge fear. Her secrets teach us lessons about trust, adaptability, courage, and sacrifice. They reveal the danger of misplaced trust, the strength of intelligence, the importance of detail, and the cost of family love. For viewers of New Adept Empire, this is more than entertainment. It is a mirror of life's struggles. We all carry secrets. We all make sacrifices. And like Thony, we all fight for what we love most. If these 20 hidden secrets and lessons opened your eyes, subscribe to New Adept Empire for more deep insights into your favorite movies and series. Every story hides wisdom. Our mission is to bring it to